Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Nominal versus real interest looks tricky, but this one is fast. Ignore the bank's expectation, use actual inflation, and the answer pops out cleanly. Real interest rate means the loan's growth after inflation is removed. So we only compare the stated nominal rate with what inflation actually turned out to be, not what anyone expected. The nominal interest rate is 6% and the actual inflation rate is 5%. So subtract inflation from nominal interest to get the actual real rate. That gives 6% minus 5%. That equals 1%. So the actual real interest rate on the loan is 1%. And that matches option A. Nice. Quick finish.
Well done, option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the given actual inflation and check the subtraction steps carefully.